Hi, welcome back. Let's now apply some styling to our website. This is extremely easy to do. All we have to do is we first decide what element, what component we want to stylize. So let's say it is this division element, this component, which is the hello world. And we apply a classes argument. We add a classes argument to that class initialization. So be careful, C-L-A-S-S-E-S. So it ends with an S. So classes equal to, that will be equal to a string. And then here we basically we write some tailwind code. Now tailwind is very easy to write. And it's a pleasure to write Tailwind. It's based on CSS. It's a framework of CSS. And it's as easy as this. Let's say we want to make the hello world text green. The way we do that is just say text green, and then we decide how much green we want to add. Let's make it very light. For that we say 100. Rerun the script, reload the web page. But be careful, here we are in the About page. We changed the div for home, for the home page, yeah. So go there, and this is so light we cannot see it. You can only see it when I select it. But you can add the intensity by saying 200. So rerun that, reload the web page. Now it's more visible. So you can go up to 900. Which will be a dark green, almost black. And just like that, you can change that color to anything you like. How about a background? First, let me split the line. If we want to add a color for the background, we say BG for background. Yellow maybe. How much yellow? 500. Run, and we have a background for that division. And this is how it works. You just add this text divided by dashes, and between the different styling elements you need a space, and then you add the other string, and then maybe add something else here. If you don't know what to add, you can simply go to tailwindcss.com and then go to documentation. And then you need to expand that page, and here on the left you'll see everything you can do to different elements of your code. For example, let's change the font family or font size. So font family, if you want to change the font to that font serif, you just copy that string and paste it there. And if you want to change the font size, you have a choice from one of these options. If you want the text to be very small, you say extra small, so that string. If you want a large text, you say text LG and make a space between the different tags, and then rerun, and let's see what we get this time. Yeah, so the text is bigger and the font has changed to something else. If this string gets too long, I'm talking about the classes string, then you can split where a tag starts. For example there, and PyCharm will add quotes around the first line and quotes around the second line. So it's the same string, basically you get the same output again. Nothing changes. And that's how you change the style to a component of your JustPy web page. Now in the next video I'll go ahead and try to build this web page by using what I explained you so far, so that you understand these things better, and I also introduce you to some other components such as the input component, such as this one here and that one, the button component, and some other cool styling features, such as this mouse hover event here. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you.